What's up, what's up, what's up, good people of the internet? It's me coming back with small update on my grinder. Again, not prepared for the video, so one hand operation, excuse me guys. Of course it's not square, this thingy, because I was just about to take it off. But I thought I'm gonna give you update anyway, while I'm doing it, or maybe not. Maybe I will do after the video, because at the moment one hand operation. Right, so yeah, I was about to take that off. As you can see, got a little bit of camo finish, got new rest table, which by the way is square when this is attached, so yeah, the grinder is working. I managed to grind this actually table nice and flat and square on this platen already, so yeah, it's good, it's working. But I decided to come and do something, so I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna change the wheels. As today I received parcel from another good person from the internet. Nice, good bargain, another knife maker. So yeah, good people are out there. So yeah, as I said, new camo, very soon new wheels, and yeah, machine is working. So if anyone could help me out with some tracking wheel of this kind of sort, I'm more than welcome. My doors are open. So yeah, thank you guys. By the way, in the background as I mentioned before, another project in progress. So yeah, everything is good, nice and smooth. So it's the case to attach everything to the base, some self adhesive hook and loop backing, and then the game change again in another level. So, and as I mentioned before, the controls working for both motors. So, and these bad boys, I can slide this on the table all across. So yeah, happy days. Hope to hear from you guys what you think, or I could improve, or I could change. If you like, if not, maybe I can post some measurements if anyone interested in the very much basic bell grinder. Oh, it works, man. So cheers for that. Cheers guys, see you next time.